This is Jamie from Stuffs and Things by JD. Come along with me as we turn this garland from Hobby Lobby into the base for this 14-inch grapevine wreath. All right, let's just jump right in here. We're taking this long 6-foot garland, and I'm just going to start by snipping off little pieces of this beautiful greenery that's got all different kinds of ferns and pothos and photonia plants, and we're just going to start sticking it into this grapevine base. I'm going to dip it into my hot glue pot and just sticking it down into the base here. And if you don't know what a hot glue pot is, I've got a video on that and some great tips and tricks on how to use a pot instead of a glue gun. So go check that out. All right, this is really simple. I got this garland from Michael's, and make sure you get it on sale, so don't pay full price for it here. But always get your things on sale. All right, so we are going to take another piece and I'm going to trim that down, and again just measuring, looking to see where I want that to go into the spine of this grapevine. Again, dipping it into my glue pot and sticking that into there. All right, I'm going to speed up the video just a little bit because this is a repeat process. Again, just snipping, snip, snip, snip. And now I'm just going to put that around here on the other side. And you'll see that I have a little zip tie here on my base. I'm going to go all the way around my zip tie because that zip tie is going to be where I want to put my bow. So I don't want to cover up that spot. And we're just going to go ahead and continue creating out this base. If you love how easy and quick this is to make a full base, you'll want to check out some of my other videos. You'll want to subscribe and like and share this YouTube video and come back to it because I use this process for lots of different designs. All right, so again, you're going to see me just snipping that off and putting that in here. This process is really simple to design many different types of wreath bases. I've also taken this recipe and used some hanging ferns and made a quick fern wreath in just under 30 minutes. I'll also link that video here so you can jump over and quickly use that process for an everyday fern. If you're loving these different tips and tricks, you're going to also want to sign up for my monthly email newsletter. I just send it out once a month, but you can subscribe for that newsletter down in the description of this video, and also get a coupon code for your next purchase. All right, we're almost done. This really is wrapping up quickly. I would love to know what color of bow you think I'm going to put on this beautiful everyday wreath. Drop a comment with your favorite color and let's see who can get it right. You think it's going to be red, peach, cream, blue, orange, purple, burlap, white, yellow. After you put your bow on, you can quickly throw in some flowers, fillers, really anything, doing the same process, dipping into the glue and then putting that right here in this grapevine base. All right, So that's it. What do you think? Wow, looky here. We've got some purple, some black and white plaid, and some burlap natural with some white scallop bow. And you'll see I threw in some pretty purple and pink flowers. Thanks for joining me.